Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information with a video on the 2024 Ford F-150. These are starting to arrive at dealerships, and you probably even be taking delivery of your F-150, and you need information from this video, which is how to access your master code for your keypad. In the past, Ford has always put that keypad, that code on a card, and put it, a lot of times a dealership will put it in your glove box. It'll be with your owner's manual, which is something else that you're not going to be receiving from Ford, is a physical owner's manual. So let's go through the steps on how to get that access code for you so you can set up your own code and actually where these instructions are at. So let's start here by showing you the digital owner's manual. So on your touch screen here, if you click on the features button, you'll see this menu like we're seeing here with running boards, a bunch of other things, because this has the power deployable boards. Owner's manual is right there. So we're going to click into that. We actually pulled this up earlier. You're going to see a screen like this once you first click into that. You can go into categories, that kind of stuff. We're actually going to go up to the search bar and put in keypad. Hit search. You're going to see a couple different options. The second option is your master access code. Right below that is your personal access code. So those are instructions for both. So click into there, and that actually goes through the instructions that we're going to go through here. Of course, one of them says before you even get started that you need to have both of your keys available for you to do this. The other one says the vehicle needs to start by being turned off. So we're going to turn the vehicle off in a second. Then also it says that you need to not press the brake pedal during the procedure, and also that all the doors are closed. You can't have the door open when doing this, and you have to do everything in 30 seconds to be able to have this to work. And it does say if it doesn't work, you need to stop, and you need to wait at least 1 minute before starting this procedure again. So we're going to go ahead, and then it goes through the different steps that we're going to show you. And one of those is to access this slot. So let me show you first where the slot is before we get started. So in the second cup holder, take this little insert out, and that's where you're going to be able to put those keys into. So you're going to be putting those keys in there. And I'm going to show you how to put that keys in, and then we're going to actually stop the video and wait about a minute. Shut the vehicle off and wait a minute, and I think that's probably been some of our problems. So anyway, this key fob, the big side is going to go facing down in there, so it should be inserted like that. So that's how we're going to insert those keys when we go through this procedure. Okay, so now we have everything ready. We've waited a minute. We're going to go ahead and get started on this. So the first thing we're going to do is put the first key fob down into the key fob slot down there, and we're going to need to do this pretty quickly. So just follow along. We're going to hit this power button without pressing the brake. It's turned on, turn it off, pull the key out, put the second key in, hit the button again. And there is your code. So it will flash up on the screen. It stays up for a few seconds and then it'll go off. And so you want to make sure you write that down, take a quick picture of it, something like that, so you have that. But that is how you would access and get your keypad or your master key. Now that was what you're going to need if you want to go ahead and set your own code. So again, using the other, I wasn't going to do that in this video, but I believe you can do that real quickly and easily. We'll go to personal access code. I believe you can actually press that. You can actually do it at the keypad if you want to, but I believe you can also in your settings set your own personal code too. So there are some instructions on how to get to that there, but I'm pretty sure in the settings you can actually go ahead and get your own, you can set that code in here. So I'll see if I can find it real quickly in your vehicle. There we go. There's your door keypad. So now at that point, you go into where we got to that was settings, and then we clicked on vehicle settings. Go back to that so you can see that. So I hit settings, hit vehicle, and then we scrolled clear down at the bottom, door code. So at that point, it tells you to put in your factory code, which is a number we just got on the screen. So at that point, you put that code in, you hit enter, and then you set your own code, and you have to do that twice. So that's how you would go ahead and reset your keypad code to your own personal code as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around, of course, make sure you're subscribed, notification bells turned on for other videos like this. If you want things all Ford news, including our live stream, which we do every Tuesday night, 7 p.m., where we answer your questions live about production, about dealer news updates, about recalls, and whatever the topic is, we're about the only dealership in the country that actually is here to answer your questions live on our channel on Tuesday night, 7 p.m. So come on back, check that out, and check us out for some other videos. Until then, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you in that next video.